Yeah.
Big old fucking snake.
Look at Edgar, you held that for a second, dude.
What was that?
Don't worry about it, alright? Debit or credit? We have Claytonium.
Yeah.
He doesn't know what he's doing. And then we got Edgar down here.
He doesn't know what he's doing.
Who also doesn't know what he's doing? So there's oil.
Oh! Yep, that's how you do it.
I broke it.
Bada boom.
You know, no one's gonna.
All your lift bolts are cracked, Edgar. I found the problem, it's the driver.
Point it at one.
Alright, so right there you can see Juan. He's washing his piece of shit rust bucket once again. This guy in rust buckets, man.
I know, he even has the Air Force Ones on. Ooh, shake that ass for me. Shake that ass for me. Come on, bro. Shake that ass for me.
Just a chill day today. We ain't doing nothing.
Yeah.
Besides working on the car, doing a timing chain cover gasket.
Tommy?
Sorry, that
Timing,
was Mandarin, in case you guys didn't understand.
Hey, you have to give my boy Clayton a shout out. You know he needs jobs in SoCal.
Oh yeah, this
And
is
NorCal, please.
Clayton. Follow Claytonium on Instagram.
Yes, ladies, he's single.
TikTokers, he's single.
Oh my god.
The only requirements he has is you just need to have a big bank.
Anyone knows how to fix a P1012 code? Let me know.
Do you hear something?
I hear an illegal immigrant.
Oh yeah, same. Ice.
Alex, can you take me out of the video? I'm not using the 2-bucket wash method.
No, Juan. You're washing a dirty car with dirty water, so who cares?
No, I got you.
This is actually pretty fun. Figure out how much fun this is. Not recording, hanging out with my gay friends. Alright, never mind, it's not fun anymore.
The 03 Plus Celicas came with updated lift bolts. So
Yeah,
they're most likely unbroken, but I got them just in case.
$20.
Less than $4. They're
Nice.
like 3 something.
It's a
Yeah.
lift bolt.
But you can see it's kind of warm. Yeah.
I'm impressed. You must get a lot of girls.
Yes, with big banks
From TikTok, you said?
from TikTok.
From TikTok, is that what you just said?
Juan's the moderator of TikTok.
Juan, you're a mod at TikTok? I knew I saw you on Reddit.
Wait, do you know how many foot-pounds of torque?
I think it's like 130.
I think it's just hand tighten. I think it's fine.
Yeah, I think that was good.
Wait, put some thread locker on it. Scream, Edgar.
Oh,
That is not pouring in there.
Oh, shit.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The Celica is on her period.
Hey, can you pull my pants up?
Oh my goodness, I'm seeing. Oh, your pants. Here, normally, if you got it from the front. What's going on over here, Juan? Okay.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, there already is a blade.
Juan, are you contemplating suicide?
No.
Good. You should.
How brittle is this? Oh, shit. It's like pasta noodle. So this isn't even that bad, huh? But-
Not too bad, but obviously it's broken.
Yeah, obviously it's broken, so
Wow,
it's-
really? Thank you, Clayton. You're so smart, dude.
Yeah.
Did you go to school? You must be going to San Francisco.
Yeah, I go for Celica time machine cover gaskets. It's only me in the class. I teach myself.
Oh.
You need to replace this tooth line?
I have everything, dude.
What's my guy doing over there? Later, Clayton. See you later, Clayton. Clayton's leaving like Juan's dad left. See you later, Clayton. Oh my goodness. Alright, don't put that in the video, Edgar.
I've seen his valve cover.
Oh, Clayton just got back. I got the purple power. Oh my gosh, dude, I cannot pick this up.